Welcome again to our herb identification class, and today we are going to talk about the golden bottle brush. This is an ornamental plant that grows that is grown in most home states, but I want to tell us its uses today. The golden bottle brush is known for tonsillitis. We have the one with white flowers, we have the one with red flowers. And as we can see here, we have this one that has the red flowers and the white flowers. Some have white flowers, but they are very small, as small needle-like leaves. So the golden bottle brush has various uses that we need to know. The traditional benefits of bottle brush is that the tea made from the leaves is effective for tonsillitis, used as a diuretic and for relieving problems of the urinary tract. So if we're using for tonsillitis, you have to make a strong decoction or concoction of the leaves and then take it in about 3 times a day. And tonsillitis, you know that is as a result of the inflammation of these tonsils, which is because of the toxins that we take into our system. Sometimes our colon may be constipated and a lot of toxins are being discharged back to the system. And we can also be taking a lot of milk. Those who take a lot of milk have a tendency of developing tonsillitis. Or maybe you have taken some food that is so detrimental to your system, it will cause the tonsillitis effect. So it is used by women as a douche to cleanse the genitourinary tract from excessive menstruation or mucosal discharge as in leukorrhea. Now, as a douche, you will just boil the strong decoction of you'll boil the leaves and then draw out the medicinal, the decoction or the tea, and then on a slanting board or slanting position, you insert it through the birth canal, and then the person should be able to retain for as long as she can. If someone is having candida or itchiness within the birth canal, this is something to try. Or make a strong tea made of the leaves and then sit on it in a sitz bath for about 20 to 30 minutes to help you with the UTIs, STDs like gonorrhea, syphilis, and herpes simplex, all those herpes zoster. It helps you to actually recover from those conditions. If you have hemorrhoids, you can use an enema, a squid enema or a fleet enema into the rectum, and so it helps to tighten those tissues around the rectum. Used for urinary incontinence and bedwetting in children. You just take a tea of the leaves and take it 3 times a day. Or those who are having bedwetting, or the children having bedwetting, sometimes it is because of weak kidneys, or they are being spanked at the back most of the times, and so the kidneys are hanging loose, dangling in their position. You need not to spank a child on the back most of the times. You will create a great problem for your child. Children need to be treated well. You have to punish them where necessary, to tell them the reason why you are punishing them. And not all mistakes are to be punished by canes. You have to teach them the right order. If they fail from that right order, if you pray to the Lord is able to teach you the right way to direct that child. So many children bedwet because the urinary tract system has not been strengthened, or they do not drink enough water, or another problem is infection in the bladder, so that the sphincter is not closing well, or it may be a nervous problem. So what you need to do is to deal with it as a nervous system as well as a physiological system. For bedwetting, taking corn silk tea, corn silk and rosemary tea every day is very beneficial. And you need to give your child a lot of vitamin B complex supplements or foods that are rich in that, and then train your child to make sure that they don't lie in a position that is making them to bedwet. So they need to sleep in a good position at night. And then you take these teas to help the problem. Make sure that the colon is cleansed well, because if the colon is not cleansed well, the rectum will be pushing to the bladder, and then sometimes we get the child is bedwetting. Another thing, in Jamaica, decoction used as a hot tea for treatment of gastroenteritis, diarrhea, and skin infection. It means we can even use it for irritable bowel syndrome because of the effects that it has upon the respiratory system. Indigenous people of Australia use the bottle brush flowers as a natural energy drink. You can make a natural energy drink by creating a syrup out of it, putting some pinch of cinnamon and the leaf tea. You add some honey, raw honey, and then you can drink it in. It's a good energy booster. So may God bless you for this presentation. Remember that your health is your wealth, and you only obtain a good health if you follow the principles of health that God has given in the beginning.